Hello, fellow pawns. It's me, I'm DroopyPawn. This is Sky Factory 3, and we've made it to number 32. It's Friday, school is out, I'm done teaching, and it's time to play some Sky Factory 3. Here we go. And what happened last time? I think I built a garden cloche. Powered it with an LV wire. I think I did that online, live, right? You saw that, didn't you? Over here, yeah. Garden cloche. Put some hemp in it. Got it growing. Put some dirt in there. Hemp seed. It's growing hemp. I think off camera I made this conveyor belt, and when the stuff comes out of the garden cloche, it runs off this conveyor belt into this chest, and I kind of spread things around so that I could get a whole bunch of what is this, industrial hemp fiber. And I see my music is a little loud. Let's turn that down some. How about that? That sounds good. So I tried doing this with item getter routers. What is this? Item node. Put an item node there. Tried to pump it into a chest. That didn't work very well. So apparently you have to use the conveyor belt from Immersive Engineering on the Immersive Engineering garden cloche. But anyway, it's growing the industrial hemp fiber. While I was offline and just had some time to sit around and do random stuff, I made a couple of stacks of treated wood planks. I did power this last time, right? I put the wire connector there, and on the power tap from my big reactor, my extreme reactor, I've got it putting out 23 RF, so a lot of the power is going into the garden cloche, but you can see the buffer on this reactor is filling up too, so it's making extra power. And I have this control rod pushed in 90%, so that's as far as I can push it without completely shutting it off. What else? You know what? I think there's something in the book that we can check. See, an age of farming. Farming. I did automate production of crops. I think that's a thing somewhere. Maybe it's in age of automation. Age of power. Age of machines. I know I saw automate crops somewhere. Still coughing. Don't have the Rona, but still coughing. Alright, where was it? Somebody help me find it. If you see it, yell at me. I won't hear you because it'll probably be like 2 or 3 weeks after I did this, but go ahead and yell at me anyway, so I found it. I'm looking for automate crops, because I didn't automate a lot of crops, but I did automate this industrial hemp fiber that I'm getting. Automate crop harvesting. Okay, well I automated one crop, and it is harvesting it automatically. So yeah, and you can see I've already got several stacks of industrial hemp. See, I was planning to put a hopper into the coke oven, so let's take care of that real quick. Get a chest and put some iron around it to make a hopper. And so I can come over here to the coke oven, and I think just put that on the side, and I can even put a chest up there on top. And I can throw some wood in there. And that wood, you see the wood is coming from the chest and going in here, and it's getting cooked up. And the coke oven is going to continue to make the creosote oil, which I can use to make more treated planks. Sorry about that. Coughing all over you. You may get a computer virus from me now, because I'm coughing. Get it? Computer virus. It's funny, right? But we'll get some wood going in there. So this will automatically feed the wood into the coke oven, which will make charcoal and creosote oil. And the coke oven has its own 12 bucket inventory of creosote oil. I also put this ender tank over here, and it looks like it's got 3.5 buckets of creosote oil right now. And see, I wanted to make a windmill. Not that I need one because I have the reactor going, but I just wanted to power the garden cloche from Immersive Engineering with a windmill from Immersive Engineering. So let's see if we can do that. Windmill, what do I need for that? Windmill. See, I can make the improved windmill if I have a bunch of improved windmill blades. See, I'm going to need a piece of steel and 8 improved blades. Or I can just do a piece of iron and 4 regular blades. So let's do that one first. Got some treated sticks. I got some treated wood. And windmill blade looks like that. And I think I need 4 of them. Got just enough sticks. Okay, I have 4 blades now. And that goes around an iron ingot, which I already have. So I think it was 4 of them that way. Yeah, that makes me a windmill. Just a windmill. Now I need a thing to put it on, which I think is called a dynamo. Dynamo. Yeah, we're gonna turn that rotation into electrical power. Did I already make one of those? I don't see a dynamo. Alright, so we'll make one. We need a copper coil block, which is a bunch of copper coils around an iron ingot. I think I saw some copper coils, but not enough. Oh, rats. So what do I need for copper coils then? Copper wire around a stick. Alright, so I'm going to need some copper. Let's go, I don't know how many, let's take them all. So, copper coil, which means copper wire, which means I need copper plate. Oh, so much micro crafting. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, let's do 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's see, I need the hammer to turn those into plates. Let's just do all of them. And let's see, then the plates get turned into, use the wire cutters on the plate, so they get turned into wire. Okay, did that. Oops. Dropped my wire cutters. Did you see that? I dropped them. So then a stick with some wire cutters, and that'll give me 4 what are these called? Go that way. 4 wire coils. Yeah, low voltage wire coils. So I've done so much stuff now I don't even remember what I was making. Iron ingot in the middle, bunch of coils around it, and that makes a copper coil block. See, then I need some redstone and some iron. I think I have some redstone, and I think I have some iron. So let's do that. Got him. Copper coil block, some redstone, and some iron ingots give me this kinetic dynamo. So kinetic dynamo will take regular motion and turn it into power, electricity, redstone flux, or I think In this it's called Immersive Flux or something like that. So I'm going to need to put that up on a pole somewhere. Do I have some fence? As they say in Oklahoma, I ain't got no fence. Let's make one out of stone. See, I can make some stone fences like so. That should be plenty. Okay, and then I can put these fences, let's stack them up right here on the edge. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7 will be enough. Okay, and then the kinetic dynamo goes on top of that. I gotta be careful how I put this though, because I gotta be facing this way. Good thing I can fly already. And then the windmill goes on this little hole here. So bam, got a windmill. And if it's high enough, it ought to start turning in the wind in a few minutes, and that's generating power now. I don't know how much, probably not very much at all, but we can upgrade it with the better windmill. So let's take this garden cloche now and put it over here. Take out my stuff and then break the garden cloche. And let's see, I'm also going to need the water in the sink. Come on, sink. Apparently a sink takes forever to break, and I'm carrying too much stuff. Okay, well, I don't need a stick. And I need all the other stuff though. Alright, let's get rid of the stick. Voided. Get rid of the cobbles. I'm not going to need those cobble fences anymore. Then I'm going to need a couple of connectors. Alright. Did that. So I can put one of those connectors up here on the back of the dynamo. Bam. I can drop the garden cloche down here somewhere. Let's go right there for no particular reason. I'll put in the grass and the seed, and it's going to need water, so we'll put the sink back down to supply the water. I may come up with a better idea for getting the water into it later. Okay, we should be filling up with water now from the sink, and we are. And let's see, it's going to need power to grow, and I think I had put the power on top, or maybe I didn't. Maybe it wasn't working on top. But in any case, we're going to try it on top. And let's see, connect the wire from the output, and then connect the wire to the input. And am I getting power now? I am. So I believe I saw that hemp growing. Yeah, it's getting 5 out of 16,000 IF, Immersive Engineering Flux, I think is what it's called. So it's getting some power, but it's getting very little power. So it's a lot slower than it was, and that was expected. I'm going to take this belt, and I'm going to get me a, what's it called, chest transporter, and I don't have any wood to make that. Got some wood, get some sticks, and I can do a one-time chest transporter like this. Or I can't. Interesting. Chest transporter. Okay, so it needs blocks. And I was playing on a different version, and in the, I guess in the newer version that I was playing on a mod pack I created, it only needs sticks. And it has one use when I do it that way, but we'll just do it like this. So I can come over here now and grab my chest, because this thing is full, and if I break it, this stuff is going to go everywhere. I don't want to deal with that, so I'm just going to grab it like so. And I will just put it in this storage chest for now. And let's see, where's my hammer? Am I holding my hammer? I am, right there. So this belt, I put it like right there. And you see I put it in, but it's going the wrong direction. So I can click it with the hammer and make it change directions. I'm going to put a temporary block right here. This is kind of weird. It doesn't place things like I think it should, but it'll be okay because I can use that temporary block to put it right here on top. And my one-use chest transporter is done. It used its one use. But garden close is growing stuff, albeit very slowly. It's bouncing back and forth between 5 and 1 power. You can see up at the top in the center 1 power, 5 power. So I think what I should ought to do is try to make a better windmill that will spin faster and make more power. So windmill. Now one version, I think I could take this improved windmill blade and just put it on there. But I need a regular windmill blade, so maybe I should have just built the improved one to begin with. So I'm gonna make a windmill blade, which means I need one of these guys. I'm trying to figure out stuff here, so here we go, figuring out stuff. I'm gonna need some sticks. I do that, and then it was here. That gave me 2 windmill blades. And then let's see, to make the advanced one, we need the tough fabric, which is industrial hemp around a stick. Well, you know what? I have a full crap ton of industrial hemp fiber. So let's make some sticks. Getting stuff done. None of this is necessary because I don't need any of it at all. But you know, I never do industrial or immersive engineering, so I think it's about time. I need 1 more hemp fiber, so I'll just grab 1 from there, and that'll give me the 8 advanced cells that I need. They're called something else in the version I was playing. I think maybe they weren't. I don't know. Okay, so the advanced one, go like that. That's 1, and I can get another. Now I think I can right-click on that. Right-click onto my current windmill. Nope, I cannot. On the other one I was playing, once you had a windmill up here, you could just right-click them on there and make a better one. Well, I cannot do that. So I'm gonna have to make 6 more blades. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 like that, and 6 this way. So there's my 6 windmill blades, and then I need to surround them with improved windmill. No, surround them with, what is it? Okay, I need 4 of those. 6 times 4 is 24. And for each of those, I'm going to need these guys, which is 24 times 8. I don't know. I need several stacks of industrial hemp fiber. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. I don't know. I'm just guessing. I've been mathing all day and I don't want to math anymore, so we'll just do it like this. Got a bam. Got another bam. Bam you very much. And bam you very much. Bam, and then I could make 1 more. Let's do it 1 more again. So surely that's enough now. Okay, so it was like this and this, I think. And bam, we got them. So there's the 8 improved windmill blades I need, and then I need a piece of steel ingot, which I think I have already made. Steel ingot, got them. Okay, we're almost there. We almost have advanced windmill. Dude, it's an improved windmill. We have done did it. So now what? Do I click this one on there? Wow. Yeah, you can see the big one, the big advanced one, is spinning a lot faster than the wooden one. So does that mean I'm getting lots of power? Is it filling up, or does it need to be actually on the dynamo? Not sure. So I don't feel like I'm getting as much power as I need to be. What if I break this one off? Now watch me drop it into the void here. I'm going to stand right here, and when I break it, it should fall. I should fall onto it. Did I get it? I don't think I got it. I don't think I got it. I think it fell into the void somewhere. Well, I called it. Alright, no problem. I can make another one. I got the wooden one back, so where's the other one? Did it die in the void? I think it may have died. Well, okay. Maybe we'll just go with the wooden one, and I'll make another one off camera and put it on there. So I've reduced my garden close to being very, very slow now, but when I build that better windmill with the advanced sails on it, it's going to be making lots of power and should be fine, and it'll be all immersive engineering stuff powering immersive engineering stuff. So I'm going to call it quits right there, and offline I'll make a new one and put it on and maybe show you next time. So until that happens, I'm getting out of here. DroopyPawn signing off. See you next time.